Virtual events, and today we're going to talk about Experience Plus and how to integrate event technology for success. I'd like to introduce Jill Knox Boswell, Account Director UK for TK Events, and she's going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate event technology and deliver results. Jill's going to be sharing some real-world examples, some case studies, showcasing the virtual platform. And without further ado, I will hand you over. There you go.
Thanks. All right. Hi, everybody. I am Jill, an account director and director of UK operations from TK Events. This one? Okay. Is that better? Oh. I am an account director and director of UK operations from TK Events. We are a live and virtual events agency with our head office on the east coast of Canada, and we also have offices on the west coast of Canada and here in the UK. So many of our clients are global, or they service global audiences. We are an agency who does events and conferences end-to-end with registration, a technical team and developers, production, design, both 3D and 2D, and event management. A big focus of ours now is how we can blend live events and conferences with virtual events and conferences. So I'm going to start off with introducing Experience Plus. So what is Experience Plus? It is our signature approach to producing a hybrid event that allows you to engage all audiences both on-site and online. We offer a comprehensive service that merges your event tech needs for digital attendees and complements it with a cutting-edge on-site technology for live attendees. And what does Experience Plus entail? Well, it all starts with our registration software and a customer experience team to implement the process and the integrations. For virtual events, our technology suite includes interactive virtual venue platform, enhanced with features such as live streaming and production, interactive Q&A and polling, digital exhibition spaces, content hosting, and some gamification options. We are constantly integrating and developing new features in our platform too. A lot of the vendors that we actually integrate with are here today. At physical events, of course, the technology is endless, and we're always innovating and developing and building partnerships, some of which I will touch on shortly. We work to have our on-site tech design not only to integrate with our TK Events registration tool, but also to sync with our virtual platform, ensuring a cohesive experience between the two audiences and facilitating a smooth registration process throughout the entire life cycle, including on-site check-in. Overall, we unify your entire technology infrastructure for both live and virtual events into a single efficient system. Our integrations simplify data management and reporting because it provides a harmonious solution. So our service eliminates the complexity of dealing with multiple vendors, whether you already own that tech and you're finding it challenging to integrate everything all together, or you need us to craft a comprehensive, tailor-made solution for you. We have dedicated teams for each element every step of the way, and we provide you with a hands-on approach working with you to find a solution that works for you and your ROI. So to provide a few examples, this was a hybrid Experience Plus event that we did just last month. It was live in Rotterdam with nearly 1,000 attendees, and also in our digital platform with another 1,000 attendees, and this is a look into the virtual platform that we did for them. They had delegates all over the world logging on to the virtual event and also attending the live event. And this was a complete multi-day conference live, but also digitally, as it had session streaming, a resource hub of content, a digital exhibition for sponsors, and sessions available for on-demand viewing. All of the sessions were streaming live from Rotterdam right into our virtual platform. So you can see on the right side too that we had an agenda displayed in the user's time zone, with sessions bolding as they were live and disappearing as they passed. So it was easy for the remote attendees to keep up with what was happening at the physical event compared to where they were sitting and what time it was for them. There were Q&As involved at the live event that attendees were participating in through our mobile app and in our virtual venue. The digital attendees could also take part in the same Q&A and have those speakers answer their questions on stage at the live event too, so that they felt connected to the overall experience and could actually ask a question remotely and have it answered live at the event. This was all done by using our integration with Slido in our virtual platform and in the app. We also have a close partnership with Venue IQ, who is also here today, and we use Bluetooth tracking beacons to track the attendees' session attendance at the live event in order to award them their CPE points. Plus, we track CPE points in our custom analytics and reporting tool in our virtual platform too. So we tracked how long the attendees viewed the sessions streaming in the platform, and then how long they were attending the sessions at the live event as well in order to award them their certificates. I will say, since I'm throwing a lot of information and tech at you at once, the most important thing to know is that all of this technology is tied together. So in this example, we had a dual registration pathway so that delegates could register for the live event or the virtual event or both, and we did an integration with our client's CRM to streamline the registration and data connection. The mobile app, Bluetooth tracking, and all of the virtual analytics are all integrated right into our managed registration software, meaning all of the reporting and the data from the event is also managed through the entire event's lifecycle, configured by our team, and not only sent to you in easy-to-read format, but presented and discussed with you as well. In this particular case, we listened to our client needs and wants, and we provided a solution for every single element that was requested, in a way that elevated the delegate's experience, but it also provided results to the client that they could comprehend. For another client, we had a mobile app which included a passport game of interactive challenges connected to a leaderboard, which you can see here. The conference attendees were able to keep up with the live leaderboard at the event, through which we awarded various levels of prizes depending on the attendees' leaderboard standing. So everybody got a prize, but it was a great way to manage giveaways. Instead of just giving things away, we had the attendees interact with all elements of the conference by participating in the challenges and accessing the content and the sessions. We also have a leaderboard in our virtual platform as well, so the digital attendees could play the same game, but with the virtual content too. This event also had a dual registration pathway, so for the conference taking place in America and in Europe, and it was complete with our payment gateway, managed by our team, and fully integrated with the mobile app and data. And as one last example, here's a virtual events interactive lounge, which was full of integrated gamification. A live chef had cooking classes with downloadable recipes, live and on-demand wellness sessions, arcade games, a live caricature artist, and our customs roundtable integration, which allows attendees to take part in group discussions and actually see who's at a table before joining that discussion. We even had a magician pop up and join some of the roundtables at this event too. So hopefully this gave you some insight into the fact that we are putting your whole tech stack together for your live and your virtual events. All of the data is in one place and allows you to have all of your technology integrated into one seamless solution for all audiences. So you don't need multiple solutions or vendors all trying to talk to one another. We can combine everything into one service for you. Whether, again, it's technology that you purchase and you're unsure how to implement, or it's having us design an all-in-one solution for you, like you've seen in the examples that I just provided. We can eliminate the complexity of having to deal with multiple vendors and various technologies. And speaking of eliminating complexity, I wanted to highlight our Build Your Own Booth feature within our virtual venue platform. It has been successfully implemented at several large global client conferences, and it's enhanced the experience for clients, but also for the sponsors themselves. So the idea is to make digital exhibitions simple. Less work for the clients and for us, and it becomes the sponsor's responsibility to have full control over the design and content uploading. So it eliminates the back and forth of chasing numerous sponsors for their assets and going through multiple levels of approvals at these organizations. And sponsors receive a unique link for an easy-to-follow tool to create their booth. Any changes from the tool update live in our virtual platform as well. So if a sponsor wants to change content per each day of the event, or if there's a mistake they'd like to correct, the booth will update in real time during the event inside the platform as well. So the sponsors are given full autonomy to manage the booth design and the content themselves directly. Just as a little peek into our tool, this would be step one, where you add a graphic backdrop, add a logo, customize panel colors, add and upload your marketing video. Step two, where you can add a contact us area to be contacted during the event for follow-ups, customize your reception counter, and choose an avatar. Step 3 would be add the downloadable content, add a chat feature in our networking chat tool, add furniture and plants, and end up with a completed product. And also, all the features can be removed or customized as well. So we've done a few events where there are different sponsor tiers, and we've turned off and on various features for each sponsor tier. Phase 2 of TK Events Build Your Own Booth will be that we create a more customizable stand designed for various sizes and different sponsor tiers. But this tool has been great for our Experience Plus offering because it is the client's responsibility the sponsor's responsibility and less pressure on our clients. We've also found that this feature combined with some clever gamification and our custom leaderboard delivers some fantastic results as well. And we can guide you on how to use all of these tools integrated into one. And finally, based on the enormous success of our virtual venue platform and the evolution of tools such as this one, we've been listening to our clients' needs, and we're further developing popular features of our platform as we create the next stage of our product. So I'm excited to announce that coming soon is our TK Events Suite. The TK Events Suite is being developed to empower users with a build-your-own, custom-branded virtual venue, all in a simple point-and-click solution. So this tool cuts down the planning lifecycle. It makes it simple for clients to do themselves. It increases the potential volume of events with a simple, efficient, do-it-yourself solution. You're going to start with a very intuitive user interface, but in a few clicks, you will have a finished, functioning virtual event that you've created yourself. And the TK Events Suite is a progression towards a more streamlined, client-friendly service within our Experience Plus offering. If you're interested, we can take a few moments to chat to you about our suite, anything upcoming, any features of our virtual platform or our live event. I want you to take away from this session that TK Events are your live and virtual event experts. We're not just about enhancing your event technology, but we're setting new standards within the event industry by empowering you and your event tech. We can implement with any event technology to produce your live, virtual, or hybrid events with one seamless service and technology solution. So come visit us at stand A27, which is right there. If you want to chat more, you can chat to myself and my colleague Lisa, and catch Lisa's session tomorrow as well at the Ingo Theater at 12 o'clock. If anyone has any questions, feel free to come visit us at our booth and we can chat. Thank you.
Thank you very much. If anybody does have any questions, please just come on up to the front and ask away. Otherwise, thank you very much. That was really informative. We've got a 15-minute break now, and I'll see you after that for some more demos.